Hi, this is Dr. Nana from Jiva Med Spa. I'm here with one of my patients, and she has graciously asked to do a testimonial for us and talk about her experience with the DIVA. So what is the DIVA for you guys out there that don't know? DIVA is vaginal rejuvenation. It helps for incontinence. So if you used to leak a little bit of urine, regardless of whether you've had children or not, a lot of women have incontinence. So if you're leaking urine, this really helps. If you want to have a little bit better sexual satisfaction, this helps with that. This helps reach orgasms a little bit quicker, but also it also does tightening. So that obviously will help. And also aesthetically, things are supposed to look better. But I want my patient to kind of give you her story behind it. So tell everybody why you came in, what your motivation for getting DIVA was.
Okay, so I'm in my mid-40s. I've had 3 children vaginally. I actually recently am getting some procedures done, some medical procedures. I've had urinary incontinence. I'm a nurse and I also work another full-time job. So I was consistently having a problem, like if I held it too long, I was going to have an accident. Just for sanitary reasons, no one wants to smell like urine. No one wants to have to change their clothes in the middle of the day. So I did my research on like some of the vaginal rejuvenations, other than my obstetrics had said I was probably gonna have to get a mesh insert. I had read up on this. I'd read testimonials that people had said it really worked. So I actually saw that your practice had one of the ones that people seemed to be more receptive to and had some of the better reviews. I came here, you were awesome. We did the procedure. It is a little uncomfortable, but you're kind enough to do the anesthesia, or not the anesthesia, the topical anesthetic prior to. It makes it very bearable. There's 3 tiers. I'm about to do the 3rd procedure this time, so that tells you, obviously, if it wasn't too terrible the first 2 times, I've come back for the 3rd. I have noticed substantial results. There has been tightening, as well as I'm not peeing myself every single time.
That's the important part.
Yes, that was the primary focus of this. I am very happy. It's money well spent. It's on yourself. You waste enough money in a year, so why not invest it in yourself? So
that's perfect. And that's the thing, is that I know the pharmaceutical companies don't like us because of this, because we're stealing money from them. But our whole goal is wellness and health, and something that's easy but gives you a similar type of result. So no scalpels, no surgery, really no downtime at all. And you can come in and get this done. It's a very, very affordable cost compared to all this other stuff. And women have come in and they've had several surgeries and they just didn't get the goal, and they came in and had the 3 divas like you, and they're like, wow, this is like, that's what I wanted 8 surgeries ago. The awesome thing is now we have several OBGYNs that refer to us exclusively, which is great, because they've also experienced, how they can really help their women and their patients obtain what their goal was without having to do all these surgeries. So, now there's nothing wrong with taking medications. There's nothing wrong with surgeries if you need it. Both of my parents are pharmacists, so I came from that background. But I always said that, look, why take medications? Why take medications that help with incontinence, that have all these side effects, when there's an easier way? So
exactly.
Yeah. Well, thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for saying those words and helping.